Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Logical Learning. Today in this video we are going to cover types of insurance. I hope you have watched my video on overview of insurance. If you have not, please watch it to have a better understanding of types of insurance. The link I have given in description box. So let's begin. As we have discussed in my last video that insurance is a tool of risk management and also provides you financial assistance during contingent events. Insurance in general are divided into two categories. First is life insurance and second is general insurance. First we will cover life insurance. Life insurance is an agreement between insured and insurer where insured pays the premium and appoints a nominee to which insurance company pays pre-decided compensation at the time of death of insured. Let's take an example. Mr. A is a person who have taken life insurance from XYZ Limited. In this agreement, Mr. A will pay regular premiums to insurance company and in return XYZ Limited will pay a sum of money after a period of time or its maturity to Mr. A or to his family in case of Mr. A's death before the maturity. Again, the life insurance has various types. We will cover some of the types in brief. The first type is term plan. Term insurance plan only provides death benefit in case of demise of insured during a term period as decided in agreement. It does not provide maturity benefit. Second is whole life insurance. In this type, the insurance provides lifetime coverage to insured. The compensation is paid to the beneficiaries at the demise of insured provided that regular premiums are paid. The basic difference between term plan and whole life policy is that term plan covers you for specific period whereas whole life gives coverage for lifetime. Third is endowment policy. In this type, your policy has a specific maturity date. In this plan, the accumulated amount will be paid to you at the time of maturity in case of your survival or if something happens to you during term period, the compensation will be paid to your beneficiary. The next type is annuity, also known as pension plan or retirement plan. It helps insured to get a regular payment for life after making a lump sum investment. Another type is money back plan or cashback plan. In this plan, some percent of sum assured is returned to the insured person as survival benefit and on the expiry of the term, the remaining amount is paid. Another type is children policies. This is the policy taken by parents for their children. In this, the parents can get funds at regular stages or when their children attain a certain age. The last one is unit linked insurance plan, also known as ULIP. It offers you combination of investment and risk coverage. In this policy, your premium is invested into various funds and returns are determined by their performance. Now we will move towards general insurance. General insurance is any insurance which is not determined to be a life insurance. The first type of general insurance is fire insurance. It is a contract in which insurance company undertakes to pay the insured the sum of pre-decided money in case of damage caused by fire. Next is travel insurance. It is designed to cover the insured from unforeseen losses incurred while traveling. Next type is health insurance. This insurance is designed to cover all medical expenses an insured may have during a specific time period. It covers medical, surgical, or accidental injury. Next type is motor insurance, also known as vehicle insurance. In this, a person can take insurance coverage for their vehicles such as cars, trucks, bike, etc. Its basic aim is to provide financial assistance at the time of accident or physical damage of vehicle due to misfortunes. Another type under general insurance is marine insurance. This covers the losses or damage of ships, terminals, cargoes, goods on ship, etc. caused by mishappening during sea transportation. Apart from these, there are various general insurance policies available in market. To name few, jewelry insurance, mobile insurance. I hope you have understood the concept. Please share it among your friends so that they also learn this. And till that time, keep learning, keep growing. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Take care. Bye.